how we prep homes for selling to make sure our seller gets the top dollar. Are you thinking about selling your home? Stick around as I spill the secrets to prep your place for top dollar sale. Hello everyone, this is Ranjani with Ranjani Ravi Realty, and today I'm letting you in some of the stuff we realtors do to make sure sellers get their top dollar when they come to sell their homes. So you have decided it's time to sell. First thing first, curb appeal. You want those potential buyers to be wowed from the moment they pull up into your driveway. So, what you need to do? Freshen up the landscaping, slap a fresh coat of paint if needed, and let's make the entrance pop. Step inside, and what's the first thing you notice? Clutter. We thought so. It's time to declutter and depersonalize. Buyers want to see the potential of your home, not the collection of bobbleheads. Next step, repairs. A leaky faucet or a squeaky door might not seem like a big deal to you, but they can turn off potential buyers. So let's fix it up. Reach out to me for my list of awesome handymen. Now, lighting. Brighter homes feel bigger and more inviting, especially in Seattle. So, open up those curtains, change out those old bulbs, go for the brighter ones, and let there be light. Staging is definitely a game changer. We are talking about the art of making your space look magazine worthy. Trust me, it's worth it. Now, deep clean. This means floors, windows, and those often neglected nooks and crannies. A clean home sells. And there you have it, how you prep your home for sale. Ready to get started? Reach out to me and let's turn your property into a buyer's dream. Remember, when it comes to selling, presentation is everything, and the first impression makes the best impression.